Hello everyone, welcome you again in the next lesson based on Python. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about Pygame and how to load image in Pygame. Like previously, we have done about Pygame library, Panda library introduction, data structure. And in this tutorial, I will tell you in Pygame how you can upload the image. So first of all, definitely we will open our software and our software name is REPL. You will open that. In last session we did I will stop running this. We did this backdrop, like the background of the Pygame. Now the next part that you are going to do in this is how to upload the picture if you want to take. First of all, you will go to the another tab and you will search for the picture that you want to upload. So I will search Pygame image. Okay, and I'll go to image and I have this picture Pygame and I will save this picture. Or I can save another picture. Acha, this is also PNG file. It's fine. I'll save this. After saving this file, you will come to the REPL again and you will upload the file. So these three dots you will click on and you will click on upload file. You will go to download and in downloads you have the PNG file. Let me check for my file. So I have the file and I'll just click open. Here my PNG file name is download.png and it looks like that, and this is my main file. Now I will start writing down the code for uploading the picture. So for uploading the picture, I will take import Pygame. Of course, you need to import the library. Then I will write pygame.init x equals to, I'm taking the variable x and y. So x equals to 600, y equals to 600. I'm setting up the parameters and the variable value. So Pygame init is actually a function that initialize all Pygame modules. That's why we are taking Pygame init. Now, of course, we will set the screen and I will simply write SERN because variable name you can write anything. So I will write in short and I will write pygame.display dot set mode. As I have explained you already, XY. This time I'm taking XY because I set my XY already as a variable. Now I will display the caption. So I will write set caption. Here I can take and the caption I will write as image because we want to upload the image in Pygame. Now the next part, I want to create a surface for the image. When you are creating the image in Pygame, the first thing that you need to create the surface for that. So I will take IMP. I'm making a variable is just to indicate like import, and then I will write Pygame dot image dot load, and here you will take the picture. So you have the picture with name download.png. I will write download.png. This is my file name, and I will write convert. Most of the students think about why I write convert method here. So convert method I'm using because it will convert the method of the pixels on the surface. Means whatever the method require the format require for Pygame image to load, so it will take that method. That's why I took convert method here. Okay, and now I will just blit the picture. Actually, what blit is like I make one surface. Now I will copy the content on the surface. Okay, I'll just paste the picture on the surface. So that for that we will take blit command. So I will use my variable scrn screen, and then I will write blit command. And what blit imp means import, comma, and like this, these are the parameters I'm taking 0 0. Okay, so here I want the picture to be like to the center. Now I want to, update my screen. So as I told you already, the flip command we use to update the screen. So I will simply write pygame.display and dot flip. This command we use to update the screen. And now I will make one variable that is a status, and this is true. So right now the status is true, means everything, whatever I have been set here, everything will be running. Now I will write the while loop. I explained you what is the meaning of that, and I'm just taking the while loop, means until the status is true, until the status is running, my condition inside the loop will be running. Okay, now I will take the for loop. So I will write for I in pygame dot event dot get. As you all know, means for the condition for the event, I will take the if conditional statement. If I dot type is equals to pygame dot quit, then status is equals to false. Means if you click on the quit command, then the status will be false, and out of the loop you can write pygame dot quit. So if I run this code, so as you can see, it's running, and when I see the output is here, Pygame. I can see the picture, and if you wish to see it like this, you can even see it like this. Okay. Just wait, let me do this again. And see, here. Here is my picture, and this way you can definitely upload your Pygame picture. It's very easy. So do practice for uploading the more pictures, and you can make more changes with Pygame library. So everyone, thank you so much. Now we'll meet you in the next video.